Welcome back to Homespot. Ever walked past fallen branches and saw nothing but yard waste? Today, I'm showing you how to transform those free natural materials into stunning garden accents. From rustic lanterns to whimsical decorations, these wood branch DIY projects will add charm and character to your cottage garden without breaking the bank. Let's get creative with nature's gifts. Create a stunning focal point by arranging branches in a radiating sunburst pattern. This eye-catching wall decoration transforms plain garden fences into artistic statements. Collect branches of similar length. Secure them at the center point with wire or strong twine. Then mount your creation on weathered wood surfaces. The natural variation in branch thickness and color adds authentic rustic appeal. This versatile accent works beautifully in both small and large garden spaces, bringing dimensional interest to vertical surfaces. Bring soothing sounds to your garden with handcrafted branch wind chimes. Select branches of varying lengths and thicknesses, drill small holes at the top, and suspend them from a wooden disc using fishing line or natural twine. As gentle breezes move through your garden, these organic chimes create peaceful melodies. The weathering process adds character over time, making each piece unique. This project requires minimal materials and offers maximum sensory enjoyment for your outdoor sanctuary. Turn fallen branches into charming decorative garlands by cutting them into thick slices that showcase beautiful tree rings. String these wooden coins together using sisal rope or jute twine, creating rustic garlands perfect for draping along pergolas, fences, or garden gates. Each slice displays unique natural patterns, making every garland one of a kind. This project celebrates the beauty of natural materials while adding textural interest to your cottage garden. Sand the edges lightly for a refined finish. Craft authentic woodland-style frames using curved and textured branches. Select interesting pieces with natural character, cut them to size, and arrange them around a backing board. Embellish with dried flowers, moss, pine cones, or lichen for added cottage garden charm. These frames are perfect for displaying garden signs, inspirational quotes, or botanical prints. The irregular shapes and natural imperfections create genuine rustic appeal that manufactured frames cannot replicate, making each piece truly special. Add whimsical charm to your garden beds with hand-carved wooden mushrooms. Use branch sections of varying diameters for stems and caps, creating a fairy tale atmosphere among your plants. Shape the caps with carving tools, attach them to straight stem pieces, and optionally paint them in traditional red with white spots or leave them natural. These enchanting ornaments peek through foliage and ground cover, delighting visitors and adding playful character to shaded garden corners. Support climbing plants with handmade fan-shaped trellises crafted from gathered branches. Bind several straight branches together at the base, then spread them outward to create a supportive framework for sweet peas, clematis, or young vines. This traditional technique requires only branches, twine, and minutes to construct. The natural appearance blends seamlessly with cottage garden aesthetics while providing essential plant support. As plants grow and cover the structure, they create beautiful living sculptures in your garden beds. Turn naturally forked branches into functional garden storage solutions. Select sturdy branches with strong Y-shaped forks, trim them to appropriate lengths, and securely mount them to shed walls, fences, or garden structures. These rustic hooks hold tools, watering cans, baskets, and accessories while adding decorative appeal. The natural strength of forked branches provides reliable support, and their organic appearance enhances cottage garden aesthetics. This practical project combines functionality with charm effortlessly. Construct small-scale ladders from straight branches to support herbs and climbing vegetables. Lash horizontal rungs between two vertical supports using natural twine, creating attractive vertical growing structures. These miniature ladders work perfectly in raised beds or container gardens where space is limited. Bean plants, peas, and climbing herbs weave naturally through the rungs. The rustic appearance adds cottage garden charm while maximizing growing space in small gardens through vertical gardening techniques. Support beneficial garden insects by creating habitat spaces from stacked branches and hollow twigs. Arrange materials within a simple wooden frame, providing shelter for pollinators, ladybugs, and other helpful creatures. Mount your bug hotel on fences or garden walls in quiet areas. This eco-friendly project promotes biodiversity while adding rustic texture to vertical surfaces. Different size cavities attract various beneficial species, creating a thriving ecosystem that naturally manages pests and enhances pollination throughout your garden. Craft elegant outdoor lighting by assembling three-legged candle holders from sturdy branches. Bind three similar-length branches together at the top. Spread the legs for stability, and create a platform for tea lights or small candles. These natural candle stands add romantic ambience to evening garden gatherings. Their rustic simplicity complements cottage garden settings beautifully. Create multiple tripods at varying heights for dramatic lighting effects. Always supervise open flames and position away from flammable materials. Weave flexible branches into circular wreaths that serve as versatile seasonal decorations. Bend young willow or other pliable branches into rounds, securing the ends firmly. Embellish with dried cottage garden flowers, herbs, berries, or seasonal elements. Hang these natural wreaths on garden gates, doors, or fence posts. The neutral base allows for year-round decoration changes. This traditional craft technique creates timeless garden accents that celebrate the changing seasons while showcasing your handcrafted creativity. Transform interesting branch shapes into artistic garden stakes that serve as focal points. Select branches with compelling silhouettes. Cut them into decorative profiles and mount them on stakes inserted throughout flower beds. These natural sculptures add height variation and visual interest among plantings. The shadow patterns they cast add another design dimension. Paint or leave natural, depending on your aesthetic preference. These handcrafted stakes personalize your garden with unique artistic touches. Arrange weathered branches into artistic clusters that mimic natural driftwood compositions. Select pieces with interesting textures and silvery aged patina. Then group them thoughtfully in garden corners or among shade plantings. These organic sculptures add architectural interest without overwhelming small spaces. The neutral tones complement any planting scheme while providing year-round structure. This approach celebrates the natural beauty of aged wood, turning fallen branches into sophisticated garden art installations. Define garden beds with traditional woven branch borders that add rustic charm. Insert sturdy posts at intervals along bed edges, then weave flexible branches horizontally between them, creating natural fencing. This time-honored technique provides clear garden definition while maintaining organic appearance. The woven texture adds visual interest and helps contain mulch and soil. Perfect for herb gardens and cottage borders, this edging method costs nothing but creates lasting impact. Create welcoming entrance features by mounting address numbers on decorative branch backings. Arrange twigs in attractive patterns as mounting bases for modern house numbers, combining rustic materials with contemporary design. attached to gate posts, walls, or fence entries for clear address display with handcrafted charm. The contrast between natural branches and clean number fonts creates appealing visual interest. This project personalizes your garden entrance while ensuring visitors easily locate your home. Build enchanting miniature scenes with tiny fences and gates crafted from thin branches. Create small-scale structures perfect for fairy gardens or whimsical garden corners. Bind tiny twigs together with fine wire or thread, constructing diminutive fencing that surrounds moss, miniature plants, and small accessories. These detailed projects spark imagination and delight. Perfect for children's garden areas or adding magical touches to shaded spaces. Fairy fences transform ordinary corners into storybook settings. There you have it. Beautiful ways to transform simple branches into stunning garden accents. These projects prove that the best garden decorations often come from free natural materials right in your own yard. Which project will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more garden DIY inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our creative ideas. Happy crafting!